So the Indian telecom regulator is doing a consultation seeking public views from people like you and me about whether there should be a regulation in India for convergence. So amongst other things, they're talking about a single regulation for both internet and telecom and broadcast, all three. And they're looking at potentially a single regulator. But there's one particular thing that's triggered this entire consultation, which is the fact that a lot of broadcast is now moving to the internet. So there are streaming, that the news that is being streamed online, there are channels which are being streamed online, and there is the same video content which is available offline is also available on the internet. So they're saying that if the same service is available on the internet, then why don't the same service and same rules apply as a broadcast? Broadcast has got uplinking and downlinking. Now there's one particular aspect that I wanted to focus on right now, which is that of net neutrality. Online, the internet is subject to very strict net neutrality considerations, where you basically don't charge an online service provider like a Google or Facebook or a Netflix or an Amazon or a Star or a or even let's say a ShareChat or even MediaNama. You don't charge us. Telecom operators don't charge us for making our services available to people like you, consumers. But on broadcast, the service providers charge something called a carriage fee. That is, that if you're watching a TV channel on a television using DTH or cable, the channels actually have to pay fees to make their services available to you as a consumer, even if you might want that service. And that is inherently a flawed proposition, which is what the internet fixes. If the same rule is going to apply to the internet, will there be a carriage fee for online services?